Hey, Mystery Tech. And today we have a word from our sponsor, NHTSA. There is no respawn button in real life, which is why NHTSA is dedicated to keeping people safe. They sponsored this segment of the video to tell you about driver assistance technologies to keep in mind when you are shopping for your next vehicle. Save the racing seats for your gaming chair. When you look for a new vehicle, put driver assistance technologies at the top of your shopping list. Tech like lane keep assistance, which will redirect your car into your lane if you drift out of it, and blind spot intervention, which will tell you if a car is in your blind spot, whether you can actually see it or not. In 2020, 38,680 people died from car crashes. Many of them were caused by driver error, which is something preventable by these technologies. Driver assistance technologies keep you and the people in your car safe. They also hold the potential to reduce traffic crashes and save thousands of lives per year. You can go to nhtsa.gov/drivertech or click the link in the description below to learn more about driver assistance technologies that can save you and your loved ones. Thank you to NHTSA for sponsoring a portion of this video.
Is that second gear or third gear?
Is that a Nintendo Switch? A mysterious piece of technology from 2017. Oh, I know this one because I found this one. This is the Orion Gaming Display. We've done the Ultimate Switch before. In fact, we've done 2 of them, but Orion did it for us because this is a Switch dock and giant display built into one. So we actually were looking for products for a completely separate video. I saw this on Amazon and insta-bought it for Mystery Tech because this thing is wacky.
It's not Mystery Tech if you know what it is.
It's true.
You're cheating.
Oh wow,
You're cheating.
Am I breaking the rules of my own series?
This is not your
our
series.
Okay, so immediately this is much larger than I thought. Oh, that's a 7 out of 10 for stink. That's not good. It smells like feet.
Do you have your son with you?
Yeah, sorry, he's right here. That was Mystery Tech.
The Velcro. No.
I would be a little concerned because you're putting this thing screen down, which means that you could probably pretty easily scratch your screen.
This is what Nintendo should have made to begin with.
Does anyone know how big this display is? Because that feels huge.
Gotta be at least 42 inches.
Power? Okay. Orion, okay, so at least we've got the screen up. Now does it turn on the switch is my question. How do we actually activate the switch?
Oh. Is there a pass-through button on the top?
There's not. You cannot touch the button on
Excuse
the switch.
me? Wait, really?
Can you remind me what video it was that you were looking for when you found this?
This was Scam Busters, Amazon edition.
Huh. So the product that you found while looking for scams is not working 100% as intended?
Oh, cannot connect to TV. Make sure you're using the AC adapter supplied with the console. Ooh, so Switch is not happy with this. Theoretically, if I plug this in now, it will work, or I've been scammed out of, this thing's like what, 200 bucks?
This was $200?
Maybe.
It was actually $298.99.
$298. You can go and buy one of those panels for like $17.
This is top 3 worst items on Mystery Tech, and I picked it, which makes it so much worse.
I mean, it makes sense. You don't know how to pick good items. Every time you pick items, it's either a Pokemon card or something that doesn't work.
The mysterious technology. It works! I don't know what I did, but it works! Unfortunately, I have to stay tethered, but whatever. It's fine.
Let's trick it.
No. It works. It works. Okay. Man, this screen is not it. Like, this screen is worse than the regular Switch screen in every possible way except for the fact that it's bigger.
Is there even volume control on it?
I'm trying to hit up and down. It's just brightness, not volume. This is actually just bad. In the thumbnail, this looks great. But for the actual, like, functionality, it's too big. The screen is low resolution and low quality. And then there's so much, like, jank involved in actually getting it to work. I mean, there's some nice things. The fact that the Joy-Cons actually not only mount, but actually charge using this whole unit is cool. But you're doing a whole lot of work to get a slightly larger display, and I could have spent this $300 to buy
Another
7/8
Switch.
of a Switch OLED, and that would have looked a million times better, even though it's a slightly smaller screen.
I'm just gonna get my pre-Mystery Tech workout in.
Okay, weird flex.
Ow!
Got some gloves.
What? What are these?
No. No.
I wanted to see if you could build a PC with these.
Oh, you know what the thing is? You actually can kind of control it.
Oh, whoa. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, I really don't like that.
I didn't hate it.
Oh.
Look, sometimes you just need to be caressed by a cold mechanical object. Don't you feel like just giving someone a back scratch? That's cool.
Those noises don't sound great for fingers.
This is too spidery. I don't like how spidery this looks. Wait, what is this for though? What? I don't get this part.
I mean, I think those were just extra because those weren't in the listing.
Oh no!
No!
Ah! My finger!
Here.
Okay. Oh, what?
So ready?
Oh, I already like this.
I apologize to everyone for the nightmares.
Oh, that's sick! Creepy, but sick. Freddy goes to the rave, dude.
Can I join Daft Punk yet?
You're if Daft Punk was in Squid Games now.
I can't see anything because I'm blind without my glasses, so. Hello!
Wow, it's like...
It's like if the sun got mad.
It's just unsettling that you have eyes. Oh, what's this? Oh, that one.
Oh, that's oddly terrifying.
anyone there?
I actually kind of like this. That's kind of cute.
Well, I don't like that it's looking different.
It's a minion!
I don't know minion noises.
He's got a lazier eye than I do.
When the mystery tech budget is $15,000.
Oh!
So that's actually good for Halloween.
I like. Oh, that's creepy. Oh, that's
That's
creepy.
terrifying.
Oh! Ah! Ah!
What? What's wrong?
Wow. Whoa.
I really regret this.
I wasn't ready!
When have you ever been ready?
You can't hit me with an MSI Lucky Golden figure if I'm not ready for it.
I love 3SI.
It does look like 3SI, I will say. Is there any context to this?
It's a 35th anniversary edition that's been sitting around for a year.
Our limited edition MSI Golden Lucky figure is... more packaging. Matt, you okay? They just announced the PS6?
On eBay right now,
Yeah.
there's one opened
Yeah.
for $9,000.
Oh, we're not. That's a whole mystery tech budget,
Someone
dude.
get tape. If you'd like to purchase this item that we definitely got from MSI, it's available. The link in the description or on our eBay store. Okay. Tech meets aesthetic. Yo, what? Are you seeing this right now?
Oh my god. If only they put this much effort into their peripherals.
Can you stop getting us canceled by 3SI? This is really rad. So you got the little MSI crest here. Tech meets aesthetic. On the back, you have your 35th anniversary. Thanks, MSI. Lucky is great, and we're really excited to have him on the background of our set until we need to sell him to pay rent one day. I'm just gonna put all this packaging in here for when the price is right. Message me if you're interested. Lucky's for sale. I'm feeling a wave. Would you one day let me finish a joke when a mystery tech item hits the table? Would you just want? All right, we've got ourselves the MX Master 3S. There's a 3S?
That's what I said.
Okay, and also the MX Mechanical Mini. Generally speaking, especially when it came to like old school tech YouTube, these were the absolute coolest mice around. Now, to be fair, I have not used a Logitech MX mouse in, I think I probably stopped using them in like 2013, 2014. So what is new on the 3S?
So they're upgrading from a 4,000 to an 8,000 DPI sensor, but the biggest thing is going to be that quiet click. They claim that it is 90% quieter than the old mouse.
Wait, you're clicking it? Wait, you're actually clicking it. I can't hear it.
That's basically not a click. I mean, it feels fine for the record, but it is basically just dead silent. For context, what a regular mouse sounds like, and the Master. I actually like this quite a lot. This is super ergonomic, right? It feels exactly like, or very similar to the older Logitech mice that I've used. You've got the little click on the bottom. You have your sort of back and forward buttons. Your
Pretty
scroll
useful
wheel
on the
here.
Mac too, where everything is like shortcut based.
So Logitech has always sold a couple of mechanical keyboards before, but this is their first mechanical keyboard in their MX line. So this is
it's
their
higher end, basically.
premium office mechanical keyboard.
How much is the MX Master 3S?
So the Master 3S, you're looking at $100, which I believe is the same price.
About the same.
Okay.
Okay. How about the Mini?
The Mini, and mind you, there is a 10-key version of that keyboard as well. The
Yep.
Mini is $149.99.
Oh,
and
get
the
out.
10-key is $169.99.
I'm throwing that in the garbage.
That's a
Mind
lot.
you,
Okay. Ooh, actually, wait, hold on. Let's not be too mean to it just yet. I like the look of that. That's actually, I like the kind of the two-tone finish.
They're not the only ones that make low
course.
profile mechanical.
Of course, look, I'm actually just saying the colorway, right? Like, these are nice. Let's just experience a little bit of oral bliss together.
Oral.
Oral bliss. Oral bliss. It's like, you hear a lot of just like sort of hollowness on the inside.
It's not even that. I also hear the scratchiness of it.
Wait, so wait, let the backlighting turn off for a second. Okay, so it's off.
There's a sensor in it.
Yeah, that actually is kind of cool. The sensor does work pretty well. I don't know about spending this much money on a keyboard.
I just don't know if you're getting the price for it. It's a good Mac mechanical keyboard, I'd say.
That being said though, the mouse actually does feel really nice. Now, should you go throw your old Master in the garbage? Probably not, because this does feel very, very similar.
There are a lot of options out there for mice, but there aren't a lot of new and unique options.
Yeah.
The fact that these are damped so that they're silent,
I'm a big fan of that, yeah.
why couldn't they do this with their stupid keyboard?
Hello, my friends, and welcome to the most unexpected crossover of 2022. Yeah, friends, I taste like a fresh McDonald's Sprite.
I don't ever want to hear about what you taste like ever again.
Ken, what would you say is one of your favorite things in life?
Anime,
What's another thing that you love in life?
my car.
Keep going. What do you do 6 hours a day?
Watch anime.
What else do you do 6 hours a day?
Play Gran Turismo.
What do you do while you're at work that you're not supposed to be doing?
Watch anime.
Yeah.
Listen to music. I
Oh, what? It's like bony. You know, I'm not gonna lie though. I'm gonna take this to the next anime convention. They're adjustable.
agree. Of course they are. You think Coca-Cola would make a bad product? Ha, hilarious.
Oh, this is actually really comfortable though.
Can I just point out that Ken Bolito listens to his music at 100% volume at all times? No. No. You have to listen and you have to guess. I will tell you the price. I am the captain now.
Bass actually not terrible. There's not much detail in it. Everything seems kind of crushed. There's no, like the bass is not punchy. There's no depth there. It's a little muddy. I mean, there's literally fur in between my ears and the cups themselves. These are probably $15 headphones with, I'll put a $10 markup on it. I'll say 25.
They're $25.
Get out.
Not bad, right?
You can get better $25 headphones, but these have the novelty.
Now I'm sitting so close to you. Take a Tic Tac. A Coke Tic Tac.
Oh.
Wait, that sounds counterintuitive.
Oh, I will take one of those. I will take all of those.
They look like pills.
You gotta take one Coke a day, keeps the doctor away.
Whoa.
Slaps, right?
I like these.
Delightful. Like all products from the Coca-Cola company. How about we talk about the actual best brand? It's not Coca-Cola. Sprite earbuds.
These earbuds have Sprite bottles on them. Those look
that.
funny in your ears.
Do these headphones look good? Yeah. Good, because they sound like shit. 1, 2, or 3? 3. Cool, here you go.
A mini wireless. Did you really just buy every tech thing that was at the
I
Coke
walked
store?
through the Coke store, slightly inebriated, and made some questionable decisions on this would be a great segment for Mystery Tech, and then bought like 8 pairs of headphones that had Coke on it.
Oh, this looks kind of nice though. That metal top though, the satin red finish, ice cold. I don't like this.
I have even more headphones because I came prepared and bought everything that seemed vaguely techie at the Coke store.
Those are what they use as a base for fake beats.
No. not true. It's the real thing. I will say the plastic. Oh, Jesus Christ. Sounds like Matt's knees.
Wow! Is that Mariah Carey's Heartbreaker?
Nope, it's still Thomas the Tank Engine.
God.
The Biggie version.
Yeah, those don't sound good. Wait, are you looking at the last item? Oh, no. Did I leave that in there? You weren't supposed to see that.
You drunk bought $200 worth of stuff at the Coke store.
You what? But, you know what they gave me for only an additional $8? A mystery bag! Why is this empty? Wait, did you open this?
No?
I got scammed by Coca-Cola.
I was supposed to get sponsored by Coca-Cola! How could this have happened?